Extang Endure ALX, all finished and installed. Can you go ahead and open it up, Joe? Show them how it works. You get the rotary release on the driver's side, which then releases the front panel, and then the pull cable latch on the next two. There is buckle straps here to keep it in this position. And then go ahead and flip it up all the way too, so we can show them the full bed. You get the full bed access and locking prop rods to keep the cover secure and open. All factory holes for installation. You can still slide the tracks back into the rail to use your tie downs. We can shut her up. Doesn't lean against the back. Really nice EnduraShield panels, really heavy duty. This holds 500 pounds of weight. It's very scratch resistant and dent resistant. Flush, low profile. Extang Endure ALX, made in USA, real truck, installed here, Truck Access Plus, Phoenix, Arizona.